In Excel, the slicers provide buttons that you can click to filter tables or pivot tables. In addition to quick filtering, slicers also indicate the current filtering state, which makes it easier to understand what exactly is currently displayed or not. To begin, click inside your table and click Insert tab. Go next to Filters, and here you will find Slicer next to Timeline. Click Slicers, and here click the slicers or the options which you want to display, and click OK. In this way, we will display several fields. Click on each and place it wherever you want. Click on each slicer to change the color and click Slicer Style. To change the colors and styles. To apply a filter, click on one value and the filter will be automatically applied. And same time, you can apply several filters by just clicking on several values. To undo, click Clear Filters in each slicer, and this should remove all the filters. To apply several filters, just click on Control in your keyboard, select the first option, second option, and release the Control button, and you will be able to see the filter applied.